Layout for a baseball field, and we're going to use the pin tool, which moves the points. These are all little points, and this is to cut sections apart at the point. So if you want to split a section. So the magnet right now, which is the snap tool, is on. You can click it, turn it off or on. Snap will take us right to a point. It snaps right to it, so it's very handy. So with the pin tool, if I turn on the pin tool, you can notice there's a little check mark right there. That check mark is so that if you do something, move it, and you let go, it'll ask you if you're sure you're going to move the point. In this case, I'm going to say no, cancel. So if you move something you didn't know exactly where it was, you didn't remember, that's the safety. You can click on it and it goes away. I always say keep the check mark on. If you want to add points, you just click on this and you can add a point. So if you wanted to add a point on these lines here, you can just click on it and then add a point, and you can add a point there. Then you can come up here and you can grab the pen tool and you can move them. So you can do any way you want, and you say, well, look at that. You say, oh, no, I don't want to do that. So the last thing you have is the cutting. So if I want to cut apart something, so let's say I want to cut this where the baseball diamond goes around here, I could cut the circle off right there and cut it off right to here. So now, are you sure you want to split this section? So I say, yeah, okay. So now, what it did is it redrew a line for the sections. It kind of looks like a compass now. So I'm going to grab the tool where you move, and you can see here if I move this, and if I want to stay, you can see where it's moved from, and I'm just going to say okay in this case, and that's whole section separate. So if I want to move it back, I could, but with that snap tool, say cancel, I could grab a point here, and I can move it right back exactly. That's what's the use of the snap tool, so you can move back to your original, basically original coordinates within hundredths of an inch. So that's how the three points work here. Basically, these pen tools are all for your points to change them. You can also change vertical on those points right here with the Z vertical. If you click on that, you can put in whatever height you want it elevation-wise. See right now they're all elevation 0. You can shut all of them off too, just clicking it, or you can come in here and show each one from even slope. No slope because it's all at 0 height. So, any questions? Give us a call, 590-8251, 7 days a week. This works for all your GPS layout and everything. Very simple, very, very simple.